Welcome to Decor Shows, your creative space.
It is amazing how kitchens can turn into a central part of your home. You can even take your cooking seriously if you have the right kitchen equipment. However, the design aspect of this space often gets overlooked, and it's easy to forget that a kitchen should be functional as well as beautiful. A house is a reflection of the people who live in it. The kitchen design reflects the personality of its owner and is an essential part of the decor. It is one of the most used rooms in a home, so you want to make sure that your kitchen looks good from every angle. We will look at some beautiful kitchen design ideas that can change your mind about how your kitchen should look like. It's where you cook and eat meals, and it needs to be comfortable, efficient, and beautiful. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, these beautiful kitchen design ideas will inspire you to create a space that's perfect for your own cooking needs. 1. Use natural materials in your kitchen design. Stone, wood, tile, and other natural materials can add charm and life to your kitchen. Also, they are easy on the eyes as well as being durable enough for heavy-duty use over a long period of time. They also hold up well against spills, so you can eat off of them without worrying about having food stains all over your tablecloth or flooring right after dinner is done. 2. Take advantage of space in small spaces by leaving things at an angle. Traditional kitchens have been built with large rectangular spaces. But in small kitchens, items can be close to the wall instead of right at the back like they are used to being placed in larger setups. The table is slightly turned towards the wall and has decorative ties or hangers so it doesn't clutter your entranceway as well. 3. Or hang them on strings from a ceiling-mounted drywall area, artfully adding an interesting note. If you have more space than what your current layout lets you use, an amazing way to utilize it is by creating a place where things won't crowd your space. 4. Use color as decoration as well. Some people find room for only white furnishings in their kitchen because everything that can be painted is included there. But if the paint chips or starts to wear off on some surfaces, you will have wasted money. Buying new furniture may require taking money out of your pocket as well. You can keep the furniture cover and change it every 2 or 3 years, avoiding that money pit. 5. Utilize a color wheel, which you usually see in home decorating magazines, to draw inspiration from information on how colors all relate to each other through history and what they mean today when discussing creativity and design choices in new kitchens. Using neat combinations of common colors will help create a beautiful balanced kitchen. Now you can have a kitchen that is easy on your bank account, but not difficult to work in. Most of the people don't have big kitchen area in their house. But don't worry, you can easily get an attractive and spacious kitchen by using small space. It is not a problem at all. There are many design ideas that can be used to make your kitchen more beautiful and spacious. There are a lot of kitchen design ideas that can be applied to your home. If you are looking for some innovative design ideas for your kitchen, then I am here to help you. So, I have come up with these design ideas that you can apply in your kitchen. Take a look at these kitchen design ideas for small spaces. 2. Kitchen island. Kitchen islands are very useful in a small kitchen. You can put your sink and other appliances on an island. You can also place a bar in your kitchen so that it can be used as a dining table. It will look more attractive if you place a glass cabinet or bookshelf on the island. 3. Pantry. It is a very useful feature in any house and it will give you an attractive look. If you don't have a lot of space, then you can try to create a pantry in the small space. You can have a shelf on which you can keep the important items. This will not only give you an attractive look but will also save a lot of space. 4. Built-in kitchen shelf. A built-in kitchen shelf will give your kitchen an attractive look. You can have this kitchen shelf on your wall or on the countertop. The shelves are very useful for you to store your food and other items. 5. Island stove. An island stove is the best way to add an extra room to your small kitchen. You can put your appliances like the refrigerator, microwave and ovens on the island. If you want to make your kitchen more spacious, then it is the best choice for you. 6. Kitchen window. Kitchen windows are very useful if you are looking for a window in your kitchen. The window will give a fresh and modern look to your kitchen, and it will make your kitchen look bigger.